Hello, week 15, Thanksgiving. Now, against popular belief, we actually have classes Monday and Tuesday of Thanksgiving week. I don't know, some students think like Thanksgiving week is the whole week. It's not. Okay, but I am not insensitive to the fact that it's Thanksgiving and you guys are tired and it's the end of the semester. We do have something to do this week, but not much. Okay, so your major thing to do this week is enjoy Thanksgiving. Woo! Okay. And so last week you turned in your first draft of paper 3, okay? And I'm working, if I haven't given you feedback already, I'm working on it. So for this week, you have 2 quick things to do. There is a lecture on revision, and this is something that's going to help you because you need to, again, revise your first draft into something that's going to be perfect for the final draft. And then really the only thing that's due is an extra credit assignment. So by completing this quiz, you will earn 10 points of extra credit towards either paper 1, either paper 2 or paper 3, whichever paper needs the help more, okay? And then the question is, at least 300 words, reflect back on all the concepts you've learned while taking English classes at Shaw University. English 113 is the last required English class that most of you will take, unless you're an English major or major that requires more English classes. But as far as the Gen Ed English classes, is the last one you have to take. Okay, so on the concepts, which were the most valuable you learned, and which did you feel was a waste of time? All the stuff you had to learn in English, what did you think was most valuable for you in your life, what your future career is going to be, and what did you feel like, man, this didn't help me in my life, and I will never use this ever in my life. So just in 300 words. And again, if you do this, you get 10 points of extra credit towards either paper 2 or paper 3. That is a big deal, okay? Your papers, this can raise your grade. It can make a difference. So there's extra credit. So that's what we're doing for this week. Again, Thanksgiving. There's a lecture, vision here, revision. Woo, okay. A video on revision, and then the extra credit assignments, okay? So that's what we're doing this week. And then we will see you next week when you get back from Thanksgiving to finish up the semester. All right. Enjoy.